And we're back for another episode of SELCOtv Circulation 2 training. This episode will be looking at ITypes, StatCats, and Collection Codes. We're going to take a look at ITypes first. They are the equivalent of B-types as we discussed in the B-type episode, but they're for items instead of patrons. So basically, ITypes are things that allow you to specify rules for specific parts of your collections, for specific books. Let's take a quick look here at an F2 search. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. And we can see here that the ITypes are listed right here in the record. So a lot of these are, like Albert Lee has them in OV19, OV21 at Austin, OV25 at Faribault. So they don't necessarily have to be the same for all the locations around the region. They are different for each location. But these give you specific rules for circ periods, who can check them out, fine rates, and those kind of circulation rules for each item. So all of the OV23s here at Lake City have the same rules as all of the other OV23s in Lake City. So they don't have to be the children's literature. It could be that that they've also got book fiction in there as well. And since I'm talking about ITypes, a very easy seg is to go into collection codes. Collection codes are the physical location of the items in your library. So as we can see here that this copy of One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish at Lake City has the OV of 23, and it is in their reader collection and in the library. So that is a physical location. It should be a physical location in their library where they can point all of their patrons to find the items. And the collection code usually works in conjunction with the call number to help patrons just be able to walk over to the shelf and grab the book that they're looking for, so they know where to go and where to look for it. And then we also have StatCats. And StatCats are pretty much the equivalent of B-stats, only they're for items. And I'm going to show you in Web Reporter. It's just basically a way of tracking your items with specific, that you may have bought for a specific grant, or that may be medal winners or other awards. And I am just logged in already to Web Reporter. I'm in Shared Reports and Collection, in the Collection folder. And there is a link right here for my StatCats. And let's take a look at Cannon Falls and see if Cannon Falls has any StatCats. And run that report. And they use quite a few StatCats. You can see they've got Caldecott winners. They've got books that were purchased by the Library Foundation or the Friends of the Library. Nobel Prize winning books. Cinema Classics for Ebert's awards and the like. So they use it for a wide variety of things. And I'm going to go back up to collections and show you the stat class item list. And go back to Cannon Falls. I noticed that their Friends of the Library is DFOL. And I can just hit the Run Report button here. And these are the items that they have marked as purchased either by the Friends of the Friends of the Library or through the Friends of the Library. I'm not sure how they have that labeled, but you can see here the item usage, so the popular items, how much they cost, the item status, if they're checked out or checked in right now, or what's up with that. And these all happen to be DVDs of some sort. So you can go in, track how much things are being used with that specific StatCat. And then of course you can export this, average out the item usage, and do other calculations for following up on grants or whatever, that look, we bought these items and they're doing great. So that's pretty much all there is about ITypes, collection codes, and StatCats. We hope that you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time here on SELCOtv.